welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very creamy and delicious pistachio jello that I know you guys are really going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I am going to start first with the pistachio jello. I use Gelatin. I love this brand because the flavor is so intense and so delicious. And to this, I am going to add half a teaspoon of unflavored gelatin. I am going to incorporate it very good before I start adding hot water. Yes, you need to add boiling water. I am going to add 2 cups of boiling water, and I'm going to add 1 cup of cold water. When you add your hot water, you need to mix very well until the jello has dissolved completely. All the gelatin has dissolved completely. This is going to take about 2 minutes. This part is very important. You want to make sure that everything is incorporated and that the gelatin has dissolved completely before you add 1 cup of cold water. Let me tell you, this jello is going to come out so creamy and so delicious. Perfect to end your day. After you're done, coming from work, or after you're done with your dinner and you want to really enjoy something delicious, low in calories, low in sugar, this is the perfect jello. Here I have 1 cream cheese bar, a Philadelphia cream cheese bar that I am going to use to make this pistachio jello so creamy and the texture nice and firm. So here, of course, I am going to use my NutriBullet cup. And you already know this NutriBullet cup, I only use it for my lemonades, for my smoothies. Nothing of hot spices goes into this cup. And here I added the bar of the Philadelphia cream cheese. I am going to mix very well, making sure that it incorporates really good. And let's blend. The color is going to be so pretty. It's a light green, a pastel color. And of course, I am going to add it to the rest of the mixture, making sure that I am whisking while adding the mixture that is so creamy and so delicious. Once you add it in here, put it aside, incorporate it really good, and then you're ready to prepare your mold. I have a plastic mold. The decoration, of course, is beautiful, but you could use any type of mold you have at home. I'm adding a little bit of the spam spray so that the jello doesn't stick to the mold, and you could really take it out and see the beautiful texture of your jello. So here I am going to cover it with saran wrap, put it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours, and then we are going to reveal how this jello comes out. Let me tell you, do it early morning so at the end of the day you could really enjoy a delicious homemade jello. Look at this. Now I pulled the sides in. I am ready to reveal how this is going to come out. It doesn't stick at all, and you could see all those little crevices, all that beautiful design right on the top. You don't need to add anything more. Let me tell you, this jello comes out so creamy and delicious, but yet is not sugary at all. Look how beautiful this came out. The top portion is kind of see-through and the bottom is nice and creamy. I can't wait to dig in. And if you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And I am sure you're going to love this pistachio creamy jello. Of course, I need to slice a piece for myself, and let me show you. Look at this. Look how beautiful this looks. It's really creamy, nice and firm. The texture amazing, and the decoration on the top, just perfection made at home. Look how easy it is to cut it with your fork and grab a piece and enjoy it. I am ready to taste. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this pistachio creamy jello. Let's see how this came out. Let me tell you, the decoration is perfect, and this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Mm, mm. The flavor of the pistachio, amazing. Nice and creamy, and of course, delicious. Mm. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe of jello of pistachio, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this creamy and delicious pistachio jello. See you soon. Bye-bye.